Parker, where are we?
Water park.
We're at the water park. Can you say Blizzard Beach?
Blizzard Beach.
Blizzard Beach. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Let's go. It's our first time at Blizzard Beach. Woohoo! I am so excited. I've been waiting for this to open since he was born. We're here, baby. Go in the sled. He's getting acclimated to the sand again. It's so cute. It's like a little snow village over here. Just like in Frozen. You going on that one? All right, who's ready to go have fun? You ready? Where are you going? Whoa. Peekaboo. Oh no, it's a monster in a sled. It is snowing at Sunny's sled. You can run in it, go for it. We're making sure the ice skater is okay. What happened? Did he fall through the wall? Oh my goodness. Is he in there?
Something is trouble in here.
There's something in trouble in here? There it is, Summit Plummet. We will not obviously be going on that today, but we're excited to be here. We've got the infamous snowman family. Is there water coming out of his hat? Woohoo! I am so excited because we're going to Tikes Peak. Parker, there might be Snowgies here. Yeah, Snowgies. Who sneezes the Snowgies? Elsa. Remember she says, achoo, and the Snowgies pop up. Look, there are some right there. Do you see the Snowgies? There they are. The brand new Tikes Peak. Let's go. You see Olaf? Go ahead, you could go in. We've got slides, we've got Olaf and the Snowgies, Anna and Elsa. Look how cute. Parker, who's up there? Anna and Elsa. Oh, the water's nice. Look how cute they are, Parker. Cute. And we've got all these Snowgies and Olaf. Cute. All right, he's found the little Tikes slides. Come on down. Woohoo! Was that fun? You could go again. We found the path with all the slides. There's a little snow house. Go on up. Look how cute. Go down that one. Hello. All right, Parker's going on a tube slide. Good job, bud. Woohoo! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Good job. Here he comes down the slopes. You got this, Parker. Oh, it's a slow one. It's one of those push ones where you gotta push with your hands. He is not excited about this one. Good job! Oh, there goes Parker. He is being a dinosaur in the water right now. Hello? Hello? Oh, you're gonna push me down? Oh, woohoo! Come down too. Oh, you got me! Elsa got you. We are going to the slopes. We're on the ski lift. Where are we going?
On an adventure.
On an adventure. Ski lift. Look at the camera and say hi.
Hi.
We're going up, up, up.
Can I have that? Safety.
Oh, you went the wrong way. There you go. Like that. Move your finger though. Okay, Kimmy, look. We're going over everything.
Hello down there. Hello.
Hello down there.
I don't want that ride.
We're not doing that one.
I don't like that.
That one's too big.
I don't want that ride.
Oh look, we have little ski feet. So much to do here, Parker.
So much fun. Okay, that's fun. Hello, we did it.
You did it!
We did it.
Now there's rocks. We are 90 feet up. We're gonna go to this one.
Make sure you ride down Summit Plummet or Slush Gusher is a safe one. Lie flat on your back.
Woohoo! Whoa!
Get over it.
Wow! Whoa! 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 Got me all wet? Wow! Whoa! This one's so much fun! So much fun! Whoa! Here we go! Woo! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, we're going backward! And now we're relaxing until the end. What did you think? Thumbs up? Yeah!
I want to
Like that. Ready, get out? So we went up the slope and then we rode it back down to Mickey. Look who it is. Whoa. Ready, set. Hey Parker, watch this. Ready? What? The waves are hitting it! Wow!
I got it! Whoa! I got it! I did this! Whoa! I said, wow! Oh no! Whoa!
Parker, we have this whole lazy river to ourselves.
Like I found it!
You found a leaf?
No one knows!
All alone in paradise. Where's Parker? Oh, there you are! Boop! Ooh!
I'm skipping!
You're skipping in the water?
Yeah!
I'm swimming! You're skipping?
Jumping!
Oh, you're jumping? What is it?
Look! It's coming down! Look!
Oh no, it's a mountain! Ready? Let's do it! Let's do it! Wow. Crazy in here. Oh no! Oh no!
No, we can't happen.
Oh no,
We
it's...
can get through that.
Can you do it? Parker, I'm not gonna make it!
Oh no!
Spin! Spin! Parker, look, it's the gator's house. Whoa. It is. Is that where the dino lives? Snack time? Let's get some lunch. We are having some lunch, right, Parker?
Mm-hmm.
What do you have?
But and dip.
Bok bok chicken and dip dip and french fries. And I have a flatbread. It's gonna be yummy. What are you searching for? Are you looking for the ice skater?
Whoa, look!
What'd you find?
I found the stick.
You found a stick? Not quite the ice skater. Oh, look how cute. Little palm tree and a Christmas tree. Oh, wow. We are on our way to race down Olaf slides. Oh! Wow! Good job! Oh. Wow! Ah! Yeah, you won! We found a waterfall in the kids area. That was crazy. We are just playing with the Snowgies and Olaf. What are you doing? You are a lunatic. Whoa! Ski Patrol training camp. Let's see what it is, Parker.
For the comfort of our younger riders, the depth of the bottom is less than 2 feet. Have a great run.
This is what Parker just went on. Parker! Haha! Did you like it? There he goes. Whoa! Woohoo! How was it? Good? All right, let's go swimming. Guppy, 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 guppy. That's so cool. Okay, jump on. Oh, you fell right off. Ready? When the other ice comes close, you gotta jump onto it. The other ice, not the rope. Let's go to jump on that ice. Over there, over there. Go jump on it. 3, 2, 1. You got it. Okay, now when you get to the other ice, you gotta jump because there's no rope for you. Maybe just jump in the water and come swim. Okay, come swim to me. You tried, that was good. Good job, good try. Oh, come under. There you go. Look, Parker, we found the gator. Whoa, he's like a dinosaur. What's he say? Rah. Look, and he has the certificate. Wow, he's cool. Good job. All right, jump onto this one. Good job. Okay, jump onto the next one. Okay, good job. Jump onto this one. You got it, you got it. You got it. It's okay. Here. Go for it. Good job. Okay, last one over here. Go for it. Good job. All right, next one. Go for it. Good job. Float across it. Now this one. This one. This one. You got it. You got it. Good job. Okay, now this one. You could do it. Do a big jump. Go. Yes. Okay, onto the yellow. Onto the yellow. You got it. You got it. You did it! Yeah. We're gonna race down Snowfalls. Okay, hold on. Wait till it's our turn. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! You did win that one. Woohoo! Good job! I'm back at them because I'm obsessed. They're so cute. We are heading out, but we had a blast. We did almost everything. We didn't do this area, but we did pretty much everything here. But before we leave, there is a really cute photo area, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture here. Hey Parker, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Say, time to go. Time to go. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Lot more family.